Welcome in the Google Maps tutorial for the beginners. Google Maps is an amazing tool that you can use for traveling, or if you want to just get somewhere. When I travel, I use it all the time. When I search for restaurants to eat somewhere and I just know the name, I use it every time to get it. Now I will show you how you can use it when you want to drive somewhere or when you can find something, let's say restaurant. So let me show you how to do it. First thing first, when you're gonna enter Google Maps, what you can do is to use mouse wheel on the mouse to zoom out and zoom in. You can completely easily go to top left and you would have menu here. I will show you how to use that. You can search Google Maps and right here, let's say San Antonio. It's completely up to what kind of city, country, state you're gonna write here. San Antonio. And let's say here we are. Then on the left, I can see San Antonio, some quick facts, something about what I can see in San Antonio, natural bridge caverns, and then also hotels here, neighborhoods, and photos. Now, that's how it works. And let's say that I'm in San Antonio and I would like to travel to, let's say, natural bridge caverns. So what I'm going to do, I will just here natural bridge caverns like this. Okay, we got it. And let's say I want to have option to find directions here. I can save it for later. And let's say I'm going to save it to my want to go nearby, send to your phone, or you can share it with someone. So let's say I'm going to click directions here. Now choose a starting point or click on a map. So what you can do, you can actually let's say choose a location. Where are you right now? So let's say I'm in San Antonio and I know exactly the street that I'm in. But let's say you don't know the street, you can easily write it. So let's say I would go like this. Or I can go with Sandgate, San Antonio, Street, San Antonio, Texas, USA. Or I can simply come here and let's say that I know that I live here. And voila, here I have it and I can see. On the top left, you got multiple choices how you can travel. So by walking to the natural bridge caverns, it's going to take me 4 hours by walking. Let's say I can recommend the travel mode here with car, driving. It would take me 20 minutes. Of course, I can see that there's a construction zone right now. And then I can also take train here, but there is no train. But if I would go from San Antonio to New York, I would possibly find a train or something like that. I don't know. Then I can bicycle. It would take me 1 hour. Or if there will be fly available, I could find it too. But let's say I'm going to take a drive. But something happened. I'm going to visit my sister too, which lives right here. She lives right here. And what can I do? What I can do easily, I can simply add a destination, or I can drag to change a route. So I would click here and I would drag it where my sister lives right here. Bang. And this is a road that I have to take to go visit my sister and then get to the natural bridge caverns. So you can always create multiple roads like these. And now, when we go further, we can also add destination right now. And let's say I want to add also that after natural bridge, I'm going to, let's say, Cedar Ridge Range. And look at this. So I'm going from my home to my sister, which is just creating a road like this. Then I will go to natural bridge caverns and then Cedar Ridge Range. And voila, this is how you do it. you can always see the details here, like what you have to do and where you have to move. Of course, you're gonna see how you can explore the range that we will go to. And you got always options. You can avoid highways, tolls, ferries, distance units if it's in miles or kilometers. So that's completely up to you or what you choose. And this is pretty much it how we can use it from the perspective of a Google Maps for traveling somewhere with a car or on foot. Now, of course, you can just like write a restaurant to Google and you would get it also. So let's say San Antonio restaurant. So, okay, let's see this one here. And let's say, Mamma Mia, I have to go here. And what I have to do is to click directions. And then let's say I live, like I forgot where I live on this Google map. I live right here. So look at this. It's going to take me 18 minutes by a car. I think it will take me much longer. Or I can take a walk 4 hours. Mamma mia. Or again, I can take bicycle. And there are multiple ways how we can do it, right? So this is how we can also search for something what you like. And now, let's imagine that, okay, you know exactly how to get there. What you can do then is to look on a path there. So let's say that, okay, let's delete this. And we want to go to our natural bridge caverns, directions from right here, right? And, but yeah, I don't know. Like, let's say that I'm not really sure if this road is going to be safe, because I never been there. And I do this all the time when I travel somewhere. I check up the road so I know. What I do is that on the bottom right, you're gonna see this browse street view images, and what is actually a blue, you can clearly go and visit. So I can come here and look at this. So on the bottom left, we can see where we have to go. And then, okay, so I can simply click like here. I can expand it. And this is where we want to go. So I expanded it right now. So, and this is how I can just move and see everything around if the road is actually safe. And as I can see, like, it's kind of okay. I mean, it's like driving forward. And then I would like check it up if I'm on the right way. And then I can like simply zoom it out more. So I see that it's safe. And I can see clearly that, okay, I can even go further. Oh no, this is the wrong way. So you like clicking, look at this. Also, this is what I need to see. Oh, and I can see a lot of trees. And you can always check everything around you to remember where you are right now. And let's see that I have to go then to the left. I need to turn around. Okay, you always can see the guy turning around. And then, okay, I will go this way. And this looks really beautiful. It's kind of nice here. And then here we are. So I would park my car somewhere like here. And here you are. And this is how you enter the place. So it's pretty awesome and pretty good. And then this is how you can use it for simple, like getting there. Now, if you can have any questions about it, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And of course, if you would go to the left to the menu, you can see your places here. Want to go. I just want to go only here. Favorites. Start places. Then your contributions. This would be find your reviews. Photos and everything. Then on the top left, you would see your timeline here. Where are you, like, where are you walking, right? But that's pretty much how you do it. And you can check also the whole map. So let's say that I'm going to India or even Iran, right? And you can see where you can go. But as you can see, you can go on many places in Iran. See, like, okay, you can go here, but not a lot of stuff that you can do here. But I really like just enjoying, just watching the places here, right? Like Kerman here. And let's say I'm going on a street here. How it actually looks like. Damn. See? Then you can, let's say I'm going to try here somewhere. Damn. Nothing, right? But let's imagine India. There are plenty of places. Opa. Whoa! And this is like what? So you can really check many places. I just like sometimes doing this. Like he there Rabat. And you're like, what is this, you know? Like I can't imagine how India actually looked like when there weren't so many people. It should be like, the energy there was awesome. I really believe in that. I believe that also right now the energy is awesome. But yeah, this is pretty much it how you can use the maps. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, like this is awesome. Have a great day. And goodbye. See ya.